If you've never used a ScopeCorder, or if indeed you've never even seen one, Michael would now like to outline 3 reasons why you'd absolutely love to have one. Michael.
Firstly, the ScopeCorder enables you to capture electrical and physical parameters over a long period of time, all in one unit. And besides that, it's also capable of performing real-time calculation on this data, which allows you to also trigger on calculated data, but most of all also saves a lot of time in post-processing the data.
Excellent. And the third reason?
The DL950 stands not with itself, it fits nicely in our portfolio, and it's able to synchronize also with the other instruments like the power analyzer and oscilloscope, and also capable to synchronize multiple DL950s if you need a higher channel count than one mainframe can offer.
3 lovely reasons as to why you'd want to own a ScopeCorder.